In this video, we show how to replace front expansion riser 1 in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove front expansion riser 1 with the cover as well as the dry backplane cover removed, disconnect the data cable from the system board and then unroute the cable by lifting up of the cable access panel and unroute. Then loosen the captive screw. And then carefully slide it out the front of the system. To install front expansion riser 1, slide the cable through carefully. Once it's all the way in, tighten the captive screw. And then reroute the cable. And close the latch. And then reconnect the data cable to the HBM. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.